Hey, hi everybody, and this is Arvind Upadhyay, and I am the one of the world's best business and life strategist. In this video, I'm talking about the solve the rich people's problems, and they will pay you better. Now, one of my friend, and he was getting the strategy with me from by he was building a e-commerce website for the everybody. So I said that's worth your consumer base. So where you want to sell your products, for the age group of the people you want to sell your product, and the which type of the people you have the target audience. I mean, if you want to sell everybody, that is not the niche market you have to capture. You have to focus on the specific market. So I said that there is a very less people who earn more than 25,000 rupees per month. So if you are earning less than 25,000, you don't have the extra money to get the purchase of the some costly and luxury things. I mean, if you can get the same thing in the 10 rupees, why you go for the buy that same thing for the 20 rupees? Absolutely, you go for the 10 rupees same product. So this is the reason why the most of the Indian startups fails, because we don't even have the capacity to we don't have even the capacity to spend our money. I mean, if I don't have any money, where I am going to spend my money? I don't have money, so I'm not specifically I'm not going to spend any money because I don't have money. So most of the people in India don't have money, so they don't have opportunity to even invest the money. So you have to understand the Indian consumers that they don't have money. So you have to target the rich people. They are going to pay you better. Make a specific strategy that this type of the people going to be my customer. And so people focus. If a person in sitting in the Uttar Pradesh, a young guy like me, sitting and thinking that government is going to pay me, give me a government job, and he is realizing that he is not unemployed, he don't have capacity, but how he is going to becoming spending, because his per capita income is very less than 10,000 rupees. More than 56% of the people have more than 10,000 people per month they are earning. So if a person is not earning more than 25,000 rupees per month, how that guy is going to spend the money? So extra things never going to spend. So always choose the right people to select people to sell your product, to target your audience, the age, the income status. And so my advice is that if you are making any special product, you are building any startup, you are choose the right, you sell your service to the rich people and people who can pay you better, because you are doing these things to make the profit and to build your system, to build your business. And for more, you can talk to Arvind Upadhyay team, text me and talk one to one to solve your business problem with me.